Yes guys, I'm Dan from KillerWipers.com. Today we're going to do a wiper delete on an Audi A3 8V.
50 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you
Did somebody say just wings? Me. Sake, messinism, what am I on about here? Okay, so the first part of this wiper delete, we're going to have to remove the trim on the wiper arm. You can just pop that up. Underneath the wiper trim, there is a little piece of plastic, which is actually a washer jet. Pop that off, and then we're going to proceed to the next step. Okay, now you want to take your 30mm socket, you want to pop that on the nut on top of the wiper arm, anti-clockwise, and pop that off. We are now going to proceed to take the wiper arm off. Now you've taken off the nut, you can just give it a bit of wiggle and pop the arm off. Okay, now we need to remove the trim from inside of the hatch, and to do that, we need to pop the lid. We're going to proceed to remove the two Torx T20 pieces, which are behind the triangle.
Probably dollar sign, got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be.
To move the trim, you just want to grab these handles, give them a pull. It's held on by clips, just be careful that the clips don't get stuck inside the hatch. If they do, you can just get a trim puller and pop the clips out and reinsert them back into your plastic trim.
There you go.
Look at that, mate!
Mate, that's hard work. Oh yeah, it's them metal ones, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. So if you haven't got anyone who's, if you haven't got any good guns, just get a big guy in.
Gym.
Get a big guy involved. Nice one. Cheers, man.
There's definitely one too. Yeah, it is.
This will now reveal your wiper motor. We want to disconnect the power to it and also the water jet. At the same time, we've got 3 10mm nuts. You want to get those off, and we can then proceed to remove the wiper motor from the car. You can now pull down your wiper motor and remove it from the back of the hatch. You're now left with the rubber bung inside the wiper hole. Remove this, and then we're going to proceed to the next step where we're going to clean the glass because we're going to fit the kit from the inside of the hatch. You can use our product on our other brand, labgeeksdetailing.com, or you can get the glass cleaner from killerwipers.com. It's the same product, but this is our other brand. We've started a detailing brand off the back of Killer Wipers, so go and check that out. We're now going to proceed to clean the glass, and then we're going to fit the kit. As always, you want to test fit your kit first. You want to ensure that the kit fits correctly, that we've not been a dickhead and sent you the wrong kit, or blame Tom that he sent you the wrong kit. The kit fits from the inside of the hatch. The Reaper logo should be on the inside. You just want to basically take this and push it in. Ensure you do a dry run first because the next step can get really messy. We're now going to take some tape. It's a little tip for you. You can basically apply your kit to some tape first. We're then going to apply the sealant around the edge of the kit, and then we're going to fit the kit from the inside with the tape just to ensure that gravity doesn't pull it down whilst it sets.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bang.
As you can see, there is some sealant that's come out onto the outside of the glass. You can wipe this down. If you've wiped too much away, you can take the needle and run a seal around the outside edge. As the glass is chamfered, you're always going to have a slight gap, but you can fill this in with the sealant. Okay, we've used the bag that the kit came in to basically ensure that no water ingresses into the plug, just to keep it safe if you ever want to return back to standard. And we've cable tied the washer hose and the electrical plug just away. We don't want that rattling around in the boot. We've left the kit to set for 1 hour. We can now remove the protective film to reveal the finished product. Marvin, I'll order some Just Wings.
Chicken roulette. Doggy meal.
Right, guys. Tom, were you f***ing crisps? Just 'cause I'm on a diet, bastard. All right, guys, that's the wiper delete kit fitted. It looks a million times better. We've coded out the washer jet via VCDs. If you want to get your wiper delete kit, go to kilowipers.com. We are the #1 in the world. If you don't believe me, go to Google and type in wiper delete. We come up first. I just want to say thank you to Travis Autos, ding, for letting us use the unit as always. And if you want to follow Elliot's project, you can follow him on Instagram at Elliot Hewitt, yo. You can follow Killer Wipers on Instagram at kill_all_wipers. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, that'd be awesome. Peace out. Cheers, guys.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Welcome to Killer Wipers TV. We're making guides on YouTube how to fit our kits, but if there's any other ideas that you guys want for creative content, post a comment below. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support during COVID-19. We're working on limited staff. It is super busy, and I appreciate your patience. Speak to you soon. Take it easy.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Randoms.
Hey, coming down like precipitation.